What are you doing?
I'm sitting on the chair.
You know the tail is like perfectly just laying on the side, like you just literally have a tail. Are you gonna do anything on that chair? Cause you just make me nervous. Okay, well we learned what she's gonna do. Ah, Foxy, oh wow!
I don't care.
You killed the cop. You killed it. You murderer! You killed it. I wonder if you... Is it red? Is it red? Is it red? It's fucking red. You killed it. Not really. It's like... It was originally red, but still. You killed it. Where are you fucking going, you murderer? I'll go straight to tank. He'll protect you. Coming back for more, huh? You're coming back for more.
You won't kill me. Or will you?
Maybe. You literally just prancing. You prancing. Really swag that booty while walking. Like, what? Now your boyfriend's gonna be like, oh my god, major bananas. Don't need to put physics in this. They're just gonna literally just go bananas. 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 It's like we're making a song out of this. Do do bananas. Do do bananas. Bananas. Booty, booty, booty. Bananas! Okay. We just made a video out of the hell of it because she was crotching herself on the chair like a weirdo. And we were like, there was something interesting. Smashing the phone. Destruction! Yeah, we're home alone, so we don't give a damn. Oh, somebody text. Ah, fudge. Role playing Picky Toby. Fluffy! Fluffy! So fucking fluffy! Mika. I love Mika. Mika. And the whole band with her. Oh, and yeah. Death Note. Yeah, and the cat. And the realistic one. Alright, well, this is Heart Killer Rose.
And Clippers.
Here.